These are the three things that are going to determine your income. Number one, it's the need for what you do, the need for the type of work that you are involved in. If there are a lot of people out there that can do the exact same thing that you can do, and there's more people than need, then obviously you're not going to get paid as much. And then number two is your ability to do it. And so we've all seen that there are, let's say, servers who work at Denny's who maybe make minimum wage. And there are servers who work at fine dining restaurants who make literally 10, 15, 20 times the amount. And they've honed their ability to do their job really well. The third is the difficulty in replacing you. How hard is it to replace the type of work that you do? If it's easy to replace you, well, guess what? You're going to make less money. But if you develop your skills in such a way that it's harder to replace you, then you're going to make more money. So use those three things in order to improve your income.